close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Another deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. A third deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Now just breathing comfortably with your eyes closed. Breathing comfortably, and just imagine that with each breath you take in, you breathe in relaxation and positive energy. Go ahead and imagine a healing light of whatever color you like surrounding your body, so that with each breath you take in, your lungs comfortably draw in that healing light, allowing it to flow through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. Imagine a healing shower flowing down, crystal clear water that's a perfect temperature as it flows over the top of your head, soothing and relaxing your scalp, washing away fear, doubt, anxiety, washing away anger, sadness, guilt, shame, washing away pain, frustration, disappointment, embarrassment, resentment, washing these away to reveal the light that you truly are. This unique expression of divine light and love. Allowing more and more of that light to be revealed as that healing shower flows over your forehead, relaxing the muscles in your face, flowing down over the back of your head, your neck, your shoulders, washing away tension, leaving your shoulders calm, comfortable, and relaxed. Healing shower flowing down your arms, all the way down over your fingertips, down over your chest and your stomach, soothing and relaxing, healing and cleansing. And allowing yourself to remain comfortably in whatever position you choose, allow that healing shower to flow down over your upper and lower back. And as your torso relaxes, your internal organs comfortably do whatever they need to do to achieve and maintain your optimal level of health and well-being in body, mind, and spirit. As that healing shower continues down over your body, down over your hips and your thighs, over your knees, down your lower legs, through your ankles, into your feet. And finally, that relaxation flows over your toes as you allow yourself to relax twice as much, going at least twice as deep with each number as I count backwards. 5, drifting down to 4, floating down to 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. Deeper, deeper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. And in this calm, comfortable state of mind and body, go ahead and imagine yourself in some beautiful place. Maybe one of the most beautiful places you've ever been. Some place where you allow yourself to be present to the beauty, the magnificence, the abundance of creation in whatever way you choose to experience it. And allowing yourself to recognize the truth that there is evidence that as far as the universe is concerned, you are worthy and deserving of this. Just allow that to sink in. There really is nothing that is too good for you. Now, there may be certain things that are a bit of a distance away, and it may take some traveling to get there. The main thing is allowing yourself to acknowledge that you're worthy and deserving of it. And anything that suggests otherwise is a misunderstanding. And there may have been times where you stopped yourself from taking those steps to get there because of a belief that you weren't worthy. And if you're not worthy of it, then it's not safe to have it. So allowing yourself to be aware of those times where you haven't taken those steps, you haven't moved in that direction because some part of you felt it wasn't safe. And allowing yourself to feel a very loving light inside. And with each breath you take, allowing that loving light to expand, filling your torso, flowing down through your legs into the earth, up into your shoulders, out through your arms and through your fingertips, and up through your neck into your head. And still, with each breath, that loving, healing light expands, radiating out from your body and melting away those old misunderstandings about it not being safe for things to be better in your life. Melting away those misunderstandings about not being worthy of things being better in your life. Just allowing yourself to let those be melted away. And allow yourself to look around in this beautiful place and recognize with even more conviction, with even more confidence, that there really is nothing that is too good for you. That you are worthy and deserving of the best this world has to offer, and giving yourself the freedom to move forward in whatever direction you choose. Allow yourself to feel even more confident, even more worthy as we go even deeper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is sleep. In a moment, I'll count you back out from 0 up to 5. 5 will be wide awake, alert, focused, and energetic, feeling much better than before, feeling much more confident in yourself, much more aware of what's possible for you, much more aware of how worthy and deserving you are of wonderful things in this life. Tonight, when you choose to go to sleep, don't be surprised when you fall asleep quickly, soundly, deeply, and sleep very well through the night. During the night, you'll dream. The more you dream, the stronger you become. I'm going to ask your unconscious mind to allow at least one of your dreams to be a very healing dream. Continuing this healing process in body, mind, and spirit, so that in the morning, at the time you've chosen to wake up, you wake up easily, feeling refreshed, energetic, and ready to start the day, again, powerfully moving forward into that ever more joyful experience of an ever greater abundance of health, wealth, happiness, and love, which are your birthright and which benefit others. Now go back down to 0, which is always sleep. Allowing your mind, body, and spirit to digest all these positive thoughts and images, taking them in at a very deep level, so that these positive changes occur easily, effortlessly, and naturally. Coming up to 1, feeling physically relaxed. 2, feeling emotionally calm and confident. 3, health and well-being, enthusiasm, love, joy, and gratitude flowing through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. 4, becoming more and more alert and aware of your surroundings. And 5 is eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. And welcome back.